Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be thrifting at the Goodwill. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so I do have a couple of quick reminders, so let me just go ahead and get started. So every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have quick and easy meals. You don't want to miss that, guys. So let's move on to the next one. Now, on the last Monday of every month, and this just happens to be on Christmas Day, we have Cozy Corner or Vignette. We do have a guest, and it's Denise Glam Style, and we also have her mom coming in. So we are celebrating her, and the theme is going to be red. So let's have some fun on this day, celebrating and blessing someone. I cannot wait to see you there, guys. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of beautiful items here. Look at these rooster dishes. I absolutely love them, and in some cases, they have the whole set. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.